basically came from being a new parent. And I had a very active child who wanted to be moving around all over the place. And I just felt like so many of the things that were on offer for babies expected you to come with this very sort of neat, tidy baby that was going to sit down and listen and sit still. And I didn't have that. So instead, we wanted to make something very free, very interactive, very accessible for any parent and anybody to come and enjoy opera.
So as a young mother, I really experienced it was like, oh, I can't speak to you. Well, I can speak to you, but you don't understand. But somehow when I sing, it's amazing what happens. Sometimes it can make the baby happier or calm the baby down. And so it just felt like a sort of no-brainer really to see what would happen if you put music into a space for babies in the way that we do. It's all about emotional connection, really. So we tried to have no no's in the space. We tried to just say yes all the time to whatever's going on.
So we think more about what is the energy of each piece of music, what might the action be, what kind of little story might it tell, how might we move around with this piece, and less about, oh, is it this famous composer or that famous composer.
We're also really conscious that people come to the opera because they want to hear very beautiful, familiar music.
We do have a very, very famous piece, the Flower Duet, which everybody knows from the British Airways advert.
For a child's first opera was just the most magical experience.
And my little one is usually running around, but the first half of the show he just stood there mesmerised by it, and I think that says it all.
I mean, classical music is so good for their development, so it kind of makes sense actually. That's one of the reasons why I booked it, because I thought it would be really good for his brain and development and all of that, so yeah, it was amazing.
I didn't know anything like that existed.
It was the best baby class that I've been to, so.
I would honestly recommend it to anyone.
From my perspective as a parent, that was actually one of the best moments of parenting so far. And they often sort of come away saying it was like a spa, that they had this time to sit and enjoy music for themselves.